Konnichiwa, Omegara, Mohit. So today we came here, very interesting question. What is the philosophy of Japanese people?
Philosophy of the Japanese people is simple. They want to set their goal of their life and they want to complete their dream. So Ikigai, according to Google, Ikigai has three main things. There are seven, but they are not that much important. Instead, the three of them are very important. First thing is that making good friends, and second is that making and living in a positive place. Because if we will live in a positive place, we will motivate in a positive way. And coming towards the last thing, that to find our motto of our life and need to complete that. That's the main and very important thing in the Ikigai and the main three steps.
What is the meaning of wabi sabi? Wabi sabi means that the Japanese people mainly believe in the imperfection way, because they think that if we will follow the way of imperfection, so we will better than the now, because there is no any limit of the any kind of betterness. They show that there is no limit to learn yourself, to knowledgeable yourself, that if you have the chance or opportunity, so you can grow yourself.
Whenever they broke something like a cup, what happened? They usually put that and try to recover that cup and try to rejoin that cup and join that cup with the help of the gold, if it's possible. And they want to show their mistakes that they did from the cup, and they can get the motivation. That's known as the wabi sabi. Do you know that one fun fact of the wabi sabi? In the wabi sabi, what people do, it has been written that most of the people who don't follow wabi sabi philosophy, they always try to hide their mistakes that they have done in their past, or that they have done mistake. So but in the people who follow and believe in the philosophy of wabi sabi, they usually what they do, they try to highlight their mistakes. Because of that, that where they are right now, because of because of their mistakes, and the thing that he learned, the person learned from the mistakes is very good, and because of his mistake he is right now there.
Here talk about the Kaizen. Kaizen means Kai means change, and Zen means better.
Priyanshu said, do you know Kaizen also empowers and gives the motivation to the workers, to the employees? Like they're on the low post, but the Kaizen gives them motivation to encourage, and the Kaizen encourages them to motivate to do their work very properly, and it motivates them very properly to complete their goals. And Kaizen gives them a power to work without any kind of boredness, and they work very properly with the help of Kaizen. In the Kaizen, you get motivated, you try to make your new products to recover yourself, to make your country better, and it motivates you. Do you know why many people in the Japan work many hours without any kind of getting energy loss? Because of one thing, which is Kaizen. And they all both talk about the Kaizen, which was really good, and they gave a very good example. And in that thing, a point came from my mind that the Kaizen is helping them. Why don't we apply on our life the Kaizen?
And talk about the Shintoism. So it is not a very complex topic, but we are talk about the harmony and ritual tradition of the Japans. It is a reference of the Japans. But as we are compared from the India, what happened with the India? We are adapt the British culture, we are wear lot of western clothes, and lot of things are there, western foods. But in the Japan, they are just stick on the in his own culture, and they are not adapted the other countries culture, but they are like the food and this culture and harmony, unity. There is a very symbolic things which are applying in our life. Like unity is a very best thing, but in the other countries they are working with the individual, and they are working with the alone, because they all create. The all credit goes with one individual person. But there is a Japan. The Japan has no individuality. They are focused on the unity and the harmony for the peoples.
So I have a question for you all. Can you tell me, there is a one more philosophy that is alternate of wabi sabi? Can you tell, and what is the role of answer of my question was Kikjetsu. It was like an alternate of a wabi sabi, in which the mistake that we have done, they also highlight that, and it's an alternate, and that's the answer of that. So, you know, the government of the Japan is also following mono no awe, in which they are doing the empathy, and they are thinking about the citizens, students, any kind of person in their country. They are thinking about it, like what the students of the children are thinking about the country, what the citizens are thinking about, what the adults are doing, and what is the problem of them, what they are suffering from. The government also follows mono no aware system and mono no aware philosophy for their goods and for their future. If you have any philosophy inside of you, tell me in the comments, and thank you for listening. This is your friend Yugal and all of us.